Alright, so I haven't done one of these in a long time. Unboxing videos. But I went to the Best Buy. No, this is not sponsored by Best Buy, not yet. However, I went to the Best Buy, I snagged some smart lights. Smart light situation, this is Sengled, whatever it's called. I got it. I had to get it. Smart house, smart light. Okay, Google, we about to get smarter.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
That's okay. I'm about to hit you up, girl. Alright, so you open up the box. The box is pretty cool, pretty standard. So this is the two bulbs with the hub in it. Of course, you gotta have the hub if you want your lights to connect. So this is the piece that I'm assuming connects to the hub. So we have the hub, we have the Ethernet cord, and we have the power for the hub and the box for the power. So pretty self-explanatory when you get it out the box. Pretty much, if you have an iPhone or you have a mobile device, then you pretty much know how this works. You know, you take it, power goes in like so. Take the hub out. It's pretty basic on where you connect it. Pretty simple. And thankfully I have my internet box centered in the home, so it kind of makes everything easier when I connect this Ethernet cord. I'm assuming I have to hook it up. I don't see any instructions in the box. However, if you give me an Ethernet cord, pretty much a given that that's what's about to happen. So, what they have in the box, thank you for purchasing the product. Get started with your new life bulb. There's a website, all that good stuff. Sengled lights. App is pretty simple. Created. Verification is going to my email. Alright, so we're searching for the hub again. I think I had it too far. Oh, there it is. That was fast. It may take 20 seconds to finish. It's pretty cool. The screens are pretty simple. Let you know what's to come, what's going on. Make sure your Wi-Fi on your phone, on your mobile device is on while you're doing the setup. Hey Rain, will you stop scraping that? Alright, congratulations. Alright, so I need to go ahead and plug my lights in. Just for kicks and giggles, I'll do that light, which I just installed earlier today. So I'm gonna do that light with the smart bulb. Boop. So let me go plug that light in, and we'll go from there. Wow. That's much brighter. All right. So that was bright. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Assign bulb to a room. That is front door. I say I want it warm. I want it cool. I want it blue. I want it red. Oh wow. This is pretty simple. It's plug and play. I like simple. So what it looks like is this. This is your choices, and if you want the blue, you go there. Well, it's purple, obviously. So when we playing LSU, it's my green, it's my yellow. It's very responsive, and you can do like your warm. That's your it's like within the temperature. So let me go back to white. I'll go to white, and I could do cool, which is that. I could do warm, which is that, which is cool. And you can choose if you want to do a single light. If you want single light or you want all the lights. Yeah, front door. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool how it all works. Congratulations, you have set up your new smart device. Our products can be controlled through the Google. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go to the Google Home app, because I'm a Google Home kind of guy. It's tricky. On the Google app, it was green instead of the red. I was expecting, of course, the red. I just want to show you all the connectivity to the Google Home. All right. So, just like that. I haven't added everything to my Google Home situation. Still have the front door to do and all that good stuff. But you can see that. Okay, Google, turn front door light off.
You got it. Turning off the front door bulb 1. It looks like front door bulb 2 isn't available right now.
Because there wasn't a bulb 2. Okay, Google, turn on the front door light.
Okay, turning the front door bulb 1 on. It looks like
Just
front
like
door
that.
bulb 2 isn't available
Just
right
like that, people. Woo! Okay, Google, turn front door light blue.
You got it. Changing the front door bulb 1 to light blue. It looks like front door bulb 2 isn't available right now.
It's no 2. Okay, Google, turn front door bulb light white.
You got it. Changing the front door bulb 1 to white. It looks like front door bulb 2 isn't available right now.
Because there's no such thing. All right, beautiful people. So that is all it takes to take your dumb home to a smart home, your dumb lights to a smart light situation, and setting up the home hub and the bulbs. What I'm gonna do with these lights is they're going into the kitchen because my wife likes to make cooking videos, in which I'll put the links below to the different cooking videos that she's done, so you can see those good different things. And then we'll just rock it out from there. So I got 3 more to go. 3 goes into the kitchen area, and what you'll probably see in the other video as we just live life. And then we'll just keep growing and multiplying. Why not? Why not? All right, beautiful people. Y'all have a beautiful day. I'll see y'all again for another unboxing on and with Don't Keeping Up with the Joneses. Love you.